Welcome. In this listing section you are seeing attributes, right? Let's see something about attributes. Okay, let's go to the site and you are seeing here add listing, right? You will click that, add listing, to add new listing, right? Now you are seeing here category, right? Let's change it to for sale, right? And go down, you are seeing here price, right? And let's change the category to services. Now you will not find price here. See, you are not seeing that, right? So how we can do that, how we can set it, how we can modify it? Go to attributes, go down, you are seeing here price, right? And you are seeing in the category section of price there is for sale, right? We are seeing here in case of for sale, we are seeing here price section. We can set the price here, right? Now let's go here and edit it. Edit this price. Click this one. Now if you want to show price section or the price box in this real estate category or the services category, then you can click it, right? Then update it. Now let's go here, reload the site, this add listing section, and go to real estate. Now you are seeing here the price section, right? In services you are seeing here price section. So in this way you can edit the attributes. You can also add the attribute, right? Click add attribute and phone, right? Allow front end editing, field name phone, field type phone, and you can write the description. This is optional, placeholder, countries, right? You can set the default country also from this list, right? And go to, now see here in this section, right, categories. So for which category you want to activate this phone section while listing here, right? For example, for sale, right? Publish. Now reload the site, go down, check the real estate, go to for sale. There might be something wrong here, right? Go to attributes. This is phone and no title. What is this? Phone. Okay, so delete the second one, move it to trash. Now let's go to the site, reload the site. Now for sale, set the category to for sale, and you are getting your phone, right? Phone, you can set it. And let's go to next category, real estate. See, there is no any phone section to place our phone number, contact number, right? So you can edit it again, and you can go here in right side and you can tick these categories, right, where you want to show that phone section. So in this way you can set the attribute, you can add the new attribute, you can edit the attribute, right? You can do the bunch of things. This was the basics on how to use attributes in Hivepress plugin, right, together with ListingHive theme. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for next tutorial.